Hello, Happy New Year. Thank you for being a patron of Jafur. Today is Dia de los Reyes and Luis is going to show you what's growing in the farm today.
In this.
He's pointing to the kale. This was arugula. And here's tomatoes in the back. Yeah. Luis is a farmer too. Yeah, Luis.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Luis's farm tour. He's got one of his favorite things right here, a little dry papaya leaf. And since he has that in his hand, let's show you some of the papayas we got growing here at your floor. Check them out.
And these papaya trees are less than 2 years old, like Luis. They're like Luis's age.
Come over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 papaya trees. 4 of them are fruiting right now. Touch the fruit, Luis. Touch the papaya. Papaya. Yeah. Good job. All right, over here we have our compost pile. And it's looking really healthy right now because I've given it some love and rotated it. And
How do you take care of a compost pile?
constant moving and rotating it. You want to keep
Mixing up
you want to keep mixing it up.
the greens and the browns,
The greens and the browns.
the carbon and the nitrogen.
The carbon and the nitrogen. And also, you just don't want to let it sit all the time. Hold on, look who's popping up on the scene right now. We have a new carrier, Mama C.
Mama C.
Mama C all the way from Chicago.
Hey everybody, I'm down on the farm.
We have DeAndre's mom, Luis's grandma. Yay!
Grandma.
You like that hat on you?
You like that hat on Grandma? Hi there.
Let's see if you're in some. Go take Mama C on the tour, Luis. Go show her the coconut tree.
Come on. It's beautiful down here. The weather is great. I love it. I love it here. I love my grandbaby too. He's a little whippersnapper. He's a little whippersnapper. Yeah. Mwah. You great kid. You grandma kid.
Thank you for joining us on this farm vlog, and thank you so much for your support. It means the world to us and to Luisito. And happy 2023!
Yeah.